What did you steal? Those are my good ones. What you got? Hey, Pug. Oh my God. Hey, oh! I almost got you. Give me back my drawers, Pug. Come on. You be stealing people's drawers? You better not be putting holes in them either. Oh my God. Alright, intervention. Grab him. It's like a greased pig. You can't get him. Hey! They're wrapped around his leg. Oh my God! Don't take him out the yard. Oh! 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 Ha! Did the collar come off too? You got the collar in the drawer. Thank you. Hey! Oh, now he's not eating again. What's with you? Why'd you steal my drawers?
You won't put my bowls back.
You stole my panties. What am I supposed to do? Just eat the chicken. Crying out loud. Hey! Look at me. Salinger. Hey! You're not even looking at me now. You embarrassed? You ashamed that you stole my panties? You should be. Hey! Hey! Look at the camera. Show everyone how cute you are. Alright. Bye.